Today I am telling about number names. So let's start this video. Let's number name in English. So the first one is 1. O-N-E 1. After 1 it's 2. And the spelling of 2 is T-W-O 2. After 2 it's 3. 3 and the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E 3. After 3 it's 4 and the spelling of 4 is Bacho F-O-U-R 4. Next one is it's 5. 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E 5. 6. 6. S-I-X 6. Next one is it's 7. 7 and the spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N 7. After 7 it's 8. 7 के बाद 8 आता है E-I-G-H-T 8. 8 के बाद 9 आता है. After 8 it's 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E 9. After 9 it's 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N 10. After 10 it's 11 and the spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N 11. After 11 it's 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. T-H-I-R-T-W-N 13. After 13 it's 14. 1 4 14. F-O-U-R-T-W-N 14. It's 15. 15. F-I-F-T-W-E-N 15. After 15 it's 16. 1 6 16. S-I-X-T-W-E-N 16. After 16 it's 17. 1 7 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-W-E-N 17. 1 8 18. E-I-G-H-T-W-E-N 18. 1 9 19. 19 N-I-N-E-T-W-E-N 19. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 2 1 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 O-N-E 1 21. 2 2 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 T-W-O 2 22. 2 3 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y T-H-R-E-E 23. 2 4 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y F-O-U-R 24. 2 5 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y F-I-V-E 25. 2 6 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-I-X 6 26. 2 7 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y S-E-V-E-N 27. 2 8 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 E-I-G-H-T 8 28. 2 9 29. 2 9 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 N-I-N-E 9 29. 3 0 30. 3 0 30. THIRTY 30। 31 में 30 की स्पेलिंग सेम रहेगी और 1 लग जाएगा। THIRTY 30 ONE 31। After 31 it's 32। THIRTYTWO 32। 33 33 33। THIRTYTHREE 33। It's 34। THIRTY 30 FOUR 34। 35 35। THIRTY 30 FIVE 35। After 35 it's 36 36। THIRTY SIX 36। After 36 it's 37 THIRTYSEVEN 37। After 37 it's 38 and the spelling of 38 is THIRTYEIGHT 38। After 38 it's 39 THIRTYNINE 39। After 39 it's 40 and the spelling of 40 is FORTY 40। 41 41 41 41 FORTYONE 41। 42 42 42 42 FORTYTWO 42। 43 43 43 43 FORTYTHREE 43। 44 44 FORTY 40 FOUR 44। 45 45 45 45 FORTYFIVE 45। After 45 it's 46 FORTYSIX 46। After 46 it's 47 FORTYSEVEN 7। After 47 it's 48 FORTYEIGHT 48। After 48 it's 49 and the spelling of 49 is FORTYNINE। After 49 it's 50 50 FIFTY 50। After 50 it's 51 51 FIFTYONE 51। 52 FIFTYTWO 52। 53 53 FIFTY 50 THREE 53। After 53 it's 54 54 FIFTY FOUR 54। After 55 it's 55 55 FIFTY 50 FIVE 55। After 56 55 is 56 FIFTYSIX 56। After 56 it's 57 57 FIFTYSEVEN 57। After 57 it's 58 58 FIFTY 50 EIGHT 8। After 58 it's 59 59 FIFTY 50 NINE 9 59। After 59 it's 60 SIXTY 60. After 60 is 61, 61, 61. SIXTY 60 ONE 61. After 61 it's 62, 62, 62. SIXTY 60 TWO 62. After 62 it's 63, 63, 63. SIXTY 60 THREE 63. 64, 64. SIXTY FOUR 64. 65, 65. SIXTY 60 FIVE 65. 66, 66. SIXTY 60 SIX 66. 67, 67. SIXTY 60 SEVEN 67. 68, 68. SIXTY 60 EIGHT 68. 69, 69. SIXTY 60 NINE 9. After 69 it's 70, 70. SEVENTY 70. After 70 it's 71, 71. And the spelling of 71 is SEVENTY 70 ONE 71. 72, 72. SEVENTY 70 TWO 72. 73, 73. SEVENTY THREE 73. 74, 74. SEVENTY FOUR 74. 75, 75. SEVENTY FIVE 75. After 75 it's 76, 76. SEVENTY SIX 76. 77, 77. SEVENTY SEVEN 77. 78, 78. SEVENTY EIGHT 8 78. 79, 79. SEVENTY NINE 79. It's 79, 79. It's 80, 80. EIGHTY 80. After 80 it's 81, 81. EIGHTY ONE 81. 82, 82. 82, 82. EIGHTY 80 TWO 82. 83, 83. EIGHTY 80 THREE 83. 84, 84. EIGHTY FOUR 84. 85, 85. EIGHTY FIVE 85. 86, 86. EIGHTY SIX 86. It's 87, 87. EIGHTY SEVEN 87. It's 88, 88. EIGHTY EIGHT 88. 89, 89. EIGHTY NINE 89. After 89 it's 90, 90. NINETY 90. 9191. 9191. NINETYONE 91. 9292. NINETYTWO 92. And 9393. NINETYTHREE 93. 9494. NINETYFOUR 94. 9595. NINETYFIVE 95. 9696. NINETYSIH 96. 9797. NINETYSEVEN 97. 9898. NINETYEIGHT 98. 9999. 9999. NINETY 90. NINE 9. And the last one is bachcho 100. It's 100. It's 100. ONE 100. 100. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.